अस्सलाम वालेकुम एवरीवन। आज हम जा रहे हैं डे 3। आज जर्मनी की तरफ निकलना हो रहा है और होटल को खैरबाद बोलते हैं। ये लो। आज हम जा रहे हैं फ्रैंकफर्ट।
These are the jalapeno ones.
Mommy, I want the cookie. Jalapeno? Mommy, I want a cookie. I want the hot.
हम लोग जर्मनी में दाखिल हो गए हैं। यहाँ पे स्पीड की कोई लिमिट नहीं है। ये साइन है नो लिमिट का।
They're welcoming him.
Yeah, because couscous died in the
जितनी
first.
भगानी है भगाओ।
This one?
हाँ जी, तो अब तक की तवील सफ़र के बाद 2.5-3 घंटे का सफ़र हमने तय किया है। जर्मनी में एक जगह हम सर्विसेज में रुके हैं, थक गए हैं, नमाज भी पढ़नी है, असर का टाइम होता जा रहा है। ये इधर कहाँ से आए ये लोग? खेल रहे हैं सब। ये तुम लोग कहाँ से आए हो? ये तो खुल ही नहीं रहा दरवाजा। ओहो,
पापा बड़ी मुश्किल फंसती थी, मैं डाल दिया मम्मी ने। मैं क्या करूं? फिसला नहीं यहाँ पापा।
Issue है तुम्हारे पास क्या?
नहीं। यार बहुत है ना वाइब्स है ना.
If you've had a car on finance between 2007 and 2024, you could be owed compensation. I've had cars on finance. Let's see what that looks like. Well, this is
Get a
easy
go.
enough. One form and I can see all my eligible claims, and Miss Sold will start it for me. You never know what you might be owed. Check now to see for yourself.
बेटा you can try to sleep.
Take this nice squishy orange and get some juice from it. Now, since I'm using a real knife, you definitely shouldn't try this at home. Only adults should use knives. Orange juice. We're going to use orange juice in our smoothie. Watermelon. I'll carefully cut a hole so we can get the juice from it. There, that ought to do it. Watermelon juice. Wow, it's looking good. Purple grapes. Let's get some juice from them. Oops, we made a mess. That's okay though, messes happen. We still have plenty left over for our smoothie. Banana, or banana, as the minions say. Can you really juice a banana? Well, since we're playing make-believe, we can. Alright, that should do it. Oh, more mess. Wow, look at all the colors of our smoothie so far. Even though it looks really nice, it's not real food, so we won't drink it for real. It's just pretend. Let's make some room for our last fruit. There we go. Strawberry. This looks like a really tasty one. Oh my goodness! Now it's my fault. Well, at least we have enough to add to our smoothie. Now let's turn the blender on and mix it all up. That's our last fruit dish.
अभी मैं रोक रहा हूँ ना फ्यूल के लिए
Some
मुझे लगा
vegetable ones. To do that, we'll need some pots from our kitchen cabinets. This one looks good. There's one.
मेरा
and
फोन
two
किसके पास है?
pots. Cauliflower. You only eat the white parts of cauliflower, so we're going to peel the leaves off first. For this recipe, we only need half of it, so let's cut it into 2 pieces and use one in our pot. We'll save the second piece for another day. Cabbage. We'll peel the outer layer off and add the head of the cabbage to our pot. Corn. We husk corn by peeling the outer layers off, leaving us with the delicious golden kernels on the inside. Carrot. Not only are carrots delicious, but they also have tons of vitamin A, which is good for your eyes. We'll add 2 pieces to our second pot, and then we'll get rid of the stem. Bell pepper. Don't let the name fool you. These actually aren't spicy at all. Our recipe says we need 2/3. Never had one before. The next time you go to the store, see if you can find one. They're really delicious. And check out how neat they are on the inside. Here's one we all know, a strawberry. If strawberries are too sour for you, you can try them with a little bit of sugar. Watermelon. Since this is a big fruit, we're going to cut it into fourths again. That way we have 4 smaller pieces. And don't worry, if you swallow a seed, they won't grow inside you. Now let's add these newly cut fruits to our fruit bowl. We're almost done with our fruit bowl. We just need a few more, and it'll be perfect. Let's see what we have in our fridge. And then to wash before we eat. Alright, they're looking pretty good. First up, pear.
Now can I have it?
They're a little softer, and usually a bit sweeter. Let's cut this one into fourths.
Limburger Dome.
I'm so hungry.
Sima,
Let me
एक
some
मिनट
cookie,
देना।
guys. Huh? Where are my cookies? Maybe somebody took them. Let's go to fire.
हाँ जी, हम लोग पहुंच गए फ्रैंकफर्ट। ये हमारा होटल आने वाला है 2 मिनट की
In
मसाफत
300
पे।
meters, turn left onto Mergentile Alley.
ये कौन सा था? एश प्लेस होटल नहीं, कौन सा था? वो ग्रीन तो वो दिख रही है लाइट है, हॉलीडे नहीं वाली।
मुझे यही लग रही है। नहीं, लेकिन ये तो लेफ्ट से लेके जा रहे हैं।
F10
यार ज्यूरिक जैसी वाइब्स है इसकी, है ना?
Turn left onto Mergentile Alley. In 200 meters, turn left into the car park.
ये हॉलीडे नहीं कहाँ ले गया ये? ये रहा दी न्यू। हाँ फाइनली होटल पहुंच गए हैं और ये होटल है। नाउ जाइना नाउ सुबह कर देगा।